Today, jobs for today, the monkey bike. We've neglected a little bit of it, well, of the past few months, years, whatever it is. So, right, the clutch is going on it, like the clutch went on that one. So we've got a new clutch from that one, got a new clutch from this one. Look at this bad boy, yeah boy. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you really ready? Let's go! Woo! Some stones off Noe from school for fish tank. Good lad. Brand new clutch. What? Monkey bike. Wow, get out there. It's quite heavy that. Brand new look, people. Brand new. It is brand new. Well, it's in a sealed bag, right? It's always good. It's not bash. Right, so. Right. Let's get its knickers off and let's see what the damage is. Come on then. Right, 8mm. Put it on. Oh look. Brand new trousers, let's get some oil on them, eh? Come on! Yeah, boy! Right, take that out there like that. Away. Right there, we need an extended bit thing, like Son, the bike, listen to this bass, bro. Look at this there, look at that. Oh yeah, let's go. Time to bump it up, yo. Oh, sugar with something on top. Oh yeah. Come on, get off there. There we go. There we go. Oh yes. Come on in. Right, that oil, no good. Motorbike, no good. Look. To take this off, no wonder I've been putting it off for so long. Need to take this off now. Take the foot pegs off. Oh my God. Come on, get it done. We can't stop now, can we, schnizzleheads? Woohoo! The monkey bike! You're not a monkey. Hey! I'll show you. Do you want to see a monkey? I've had to come in house to show him a monkey. But I have to pull my pants down. I don't want next doors he's seeing my legs. You're not a monkey here. Look at that. Ain't the monkey. Cock-a-doodle now. Yeah, man. Pizza baggage in here, people! There's a touch of summer in the air! And I'm not gonna swear! Right, after a few minor mishaps. No, just protect the box with you, son, and then put some sand in it. We've had a little bit of an oil leak. Right, so, there we go, there's the casing off, boys and girls. So what we need to do now is take this off, look. Just like that, leave it in there. See the little spring, don't lose that. Keep that in there, just like that. Then next step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, take her off. Let's do this schnizzles. Oh, look, just like that, look at that. Now, there's that little nut there, we have to bend them out of the way. That's like a safety device. And then take that off. Come on then, next. Right. This is a tool you need, boys. Is it that way? There you go, like that. Just like that. Jobs are good, and look at that. Done. Look, old clutch. 2 secs. And there we go, look. There we go. All done, new one. New one. This is how simple it is. This is not just for a monkey bike. Does that go all the way on there? Where the hell, yeah, we need to get on the right thing. It's not just for monkey bikes, it'll work on pit bikes. Anything with a sideways engine like this, even granddads. i.e. on the 90s and stuff like that. I know some of the older versions have a different clutch mechanism, but anything like this, like a sideways engine, like monkey bikes nowadays, pit bikes, well, do you know what I mean, anything like that, but make sure you get the right one. This is semi-automatic, so you have to get a semi-automatic clutch, because obviously a clutch one wouldn't work with a semi-automatic engine, so make sure you get that bit right, people. Right, it wasn't as easy as I thought. Right, so let me just get this out there. Right, the old clutch was on there, but they have a different, see this little star bit here, it's like a cog and it only fits in one way to like certain things. See, so it didn't fit in that one, but then look, it fits perfectly. Is it that one, or where's the other one? This one, look, this one will fit perfectly in there, like that. So I've had to swap the middle bit out of the new, that's a new one, and put all the innards out of the new one into this one so it'll fit. It's quite easy to do. All you do is pull all the innards out, put it in there, and then literally put that bit on there, look. That bit, and then this bit to hold your plates in. Voila. Look, so all we're doing is swapping the middle bits out of there. That bit there from that one, and that bit there from that one into this one. I hope I'm not making this too confusing. Right, it's blooming freezing. New gasket, new clutch. Let's put it back together, come on then. Yeah, boy, sweet. Right, new clutch in, oil in. Jack, are you ready? Let's have a look, see if she'll, I know she should start, but, oh, look at that. Put her on, we've even got neons on, look. Yeah, boy. So, we'll go for a little test ride round the field, shall we? Come on then. Right, are you ready, boy? Are you ready? Let's put the monkey mobile to the test. Let's see. Right, are you ready, Jack?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go. Clutch in the monkey bar. Go for a mix about. Right, are you ready? Do you reckon it wheelies now? Huh? You don't know? Here's a good one. Come on. Right. This way?
I don't know.
You don't know? Neither do I. We don't care. A little bit. Sorry, it conked out, it couldn't handle it. Are you ready, son? Yeah. We've got nice and steady now, we promise, won't we? What we got?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do we promise? Do we?
Yeah.
Really? Uh-oh. Oh, keep your feet up, son! Woo! Have you missed this boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, had to go for a while, haven't we?
Yeah. Well,
What gear are we in? We're in second gear, what?
We haven't done it for about half an hour.
Nearly stuck my foot. That's why you should always wear boots, people. false alarm. Thought we had a flat tire, didn't we, Jack?
Yeah.
No, we don't. Oh, where are we going?
Ow! Hit me!
That's a holly bush, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, yeah, boy. Do the brakes work? Do the chuff. Do the chuff. Oh, no, boy. You keep your feet up. It's sound. It's sound. I've got it under control, bro. Look at that. Look at that, people. Go too fast down there, look. That's where you'll end up. That's where you'll end up, look. Down there, big cliff. Come on. It's gonna get dark very soon, isn't it, Jack? And there's werewolves down here, isn't there? Is there? Huh? Or gruffalos, or what are they called? I'll put it on a spit roast and eat it. Oh, it's a bit foggy down here. Oh. Are we going to get up here?
I don't know.
Right. What gear are we in?
One.
One, right. Knock it up to, what number are we in now?
2.
We're on number 2. Let's go, bro. Oh yeah, the monkey ride. Right, part 1. Now look. Are you ready for this, boy? Come here, let's turn this camera on. Are you ready? You're not ready, I'm not ready either. Right, let's just do it, huh? Wait, I've got cramp. Got cramp!
Shall I go see what's up there to
What?
tell you which way to turn?
What?
Shall I go see what's up there?
I know what's up there. Do you know what's up there?
6 and 1.
The top. No?
No?
Keep on, it's fine, it's fine. We just need a bigger run-up. Need a bigger run-up and some air out of the tyre. Right. 2 minutes I'm going to let some air out at tyre.
I ain't gonna do
Yeah, man! The monkey bike! This bit to go, come on! Come on, Jackie, man, come on! Right, we're back on track, boys and girls. We just needed a bit of air letting out at tyres. Come on then. The monkey bike. Oh.
No! Got picked again!
What?
Got picked again with thanks.
You alright?
Polybus, yeah.
Let's go, bro. Yeah, we're going back home, people. But that, from me and him, is ciao for now. Bye-bye. Bye.